Properly trimming toenails, your step-by-step guide. Hello everyone. Today, we are going to talk about an essential part of our morning routine and personal hygiene, foot care, and more specifically, we'll focus on trimming toenails. Properly maintaining your toenails not only keeps your feet looking neat and tidy but also prevents many common foot problems. Let's jump right in. So why should we bother about trimming our toenails? Well, if you let your toenails grow too long, they can become ingrown, leading to discomfort or even infection. Moreover, long toenails can cause pain when you wear shoes. It's crucial to regularly check and trim your toenails as part of a good hygiene routine. Before you start, make sure you have the right tools. You'll need a toenail clipper or nail scissors and a nail file. Toenail clippers are usually larger and stronger than fingernail clippers because toenails are thicker. The nail file helps to smooth out any rough or sharp edges after clipping. The best time to trim your toenails is after a bath or shower. The warm water softens your nails, making them easier to cut. If you try to cut them when they're dry, they can be brittle and harder to handle. Now, let's go through the steps of trimming your toenails. 1. Firstly, clean your tools. It's a good practice to sanitize your tools before each use to prevent the spread of bacteria or fungus. 2. Next, cut your nails straight across using the nail clipper or scissors. Do not curve the edges or cut too short, as this can lead to painful ingrown toenails. 3. After cutting, use the nail file to smooth out any sharp or uneven edges. Make sure to move the file in one direction only, not back and forth, to prevent nail damage. And there you have it, how to properly trim your toenails. I hope you find this video helpful and that it improves your foot care routine. Remember, good personal hygiene involves taking care of every part of your body, including your feet. Until our next lesson, keep practicing your English and stay healthy.